Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be editing. I'm going to be showing how I edit my videos using the inshot app. Yeah, this one is available for Android users. So you're going to download this from your Play Store. Once you download it, then you can open it. When you open, you have that there is a new button where you're supposed to be adding videos. That green bar, so it will take you to your gallery, and in your gallery you can select all videos that you want to add, or you can select one by one. So here I wanted to select, I think, 3 only. I selected 3. I hope so I did. Yeah. So for this video I'm going to be uploading it to YouTube. So I'm going to use, when I tap the camera, it shows for which size or for which app am I uploading this video on. So I'm going to use YouTube, so I select YouTube. So depending on whether you want to use the audio inside the clip, then you go ahead and leave it at that. But if you don't want to use the audio, then you have to just follow that step that I just demonstrated there. So now my clips all don't have this the volume that I recorded, the volume they had at the time of recording. So yeah, now I go ahead and select which music track I want to be playing in the background. Sorry, I think I went with A New Beginning. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. So anyway, you go ahead, you play around, listen whether it's also like matching with whatever you recorded, and until you find your a track that suits you. So then I think here I was just trying to see how I like it, like, is it moving with the video, is it like, in sync, as I like to say. So yeah, then you will see that I went ahead to edit the music track that I just added. You go ahead and edit it. You can split, you can increase the volume, you can also, when you split, you can make it in such a way that it's fading in, fading out. The lower bars, as you see, the lower bar one is for fade out, one is for fade in. Yeah, so you can go ahead and edit those, play around until you get your suitable sound. Yeah, so in that same so we are going to go to adding stickers. Stickers can be motionless, or they have some sort of motion to them. So here I guess I just added, is it like a GIF? Some pussycat is what I played around with. Actually there's also, yeah, it's not only stickers, you get GIFs, you get different, I can't even remember, but you just have to experiment, see what you like. Here I just chose this, but really it doesn't probably even go with the video, but anyway, we'll go with that. And by the way, you can also increase the time you want this to show up on the video. So here I was just editing how I want this GIF or to come into the video. Is it going to be coming out, coming in, so play around with those, experiment, and get the feel of everything and see what you like. Yeah, then I was saying you can elongate, is it elongate, or you can increase the duration of time of this GIF or the sticker that you just put, just like by dragging the same that sticker. You just drag just the way you saw back there. Then you can also add text. I added some text there. Honestly, InShot is just the best app out there if you're a beginner. Like, I struggled before. I was all in those pro apps, getting lost, being swallowed, drowning only to find InShot, and it was just my thing right here. Anyway, so here I'm adding text. Is it text? Blah, blah. Text. Yeah. So you can also edit the text. How do you want it to come into the video? How do you want to space the letters out? Which colors? Just play around with everything. You know, how do they say? You learn through play. So play around, don't limit yourself. Play around with the colors. Me now, when it comes to colors, oh my god, that is where all my editing time goes. Like, I will even here in the video, you can see I was playing with colors. I'm like, okay, this one looks nice, until I settled with that blue. Is it a light blue? Yeah. So after that, we add filters. You can also add effects like zooming in, zooming out. In this video, I added a zoom out. Filters, I don't really use filters that much, but only effects I use. But yeah, I added a zoom out. And by the way, if I haven't gotten the paid version of this app, so I'm only limited to just a few effects. So just recently I discovered another trick inside this app. It's adding a video on top of a video, or a picture on top of a picture. So there is one tab that you'll see is PIP. That is what you use to add the video or the picture. So it will still take you back to your gallery. You select the picture or the video that you want playing over your primary video. Yeah, so I actually discovered this while I was editing this video, editing it. Yeah, so that, and you can also play around with the transitions. How do you want this video to come into the primary video? How do you want it to exit? Everything, just experiment, like, yeah. And then also the duration. Do you want to elongate it? Do you just play around? And then there is also another thing that, do you want to include the volume of that video, or do you want to leave it at 0? So yes, there's also the slow motion. Slow motion is all about the speed. So there is a speed tab that you will use. You either decrease the speed to play slow motion, or you increase the speed if you want to play very fast. So that one should be easy. All you have to do is drag back and forth, and see how the speed that you're comfortable with. Yeah, and that should be easy, right? So I'll keep saying this: experiment, explore, and play around, be creative. So you'll see these other tabs here. There is duplicate. For me, the first tab that I was friendly with was the split one. So there is also reverse, like if you want to reverse the video. I don't know if you watched my latest video, you will see that there was a reverse clip, like playing back. How can I say? God, come and rescue your child. Anyway, so you will see that clip when I play the entire video, the reversed clip. I try to name them. So yeah, there is duplicate, there is freeze, like if you want to freeze a clip. Yeah, just have fun with it, like experiment, and I'm pretty sure you will discover a lot of things that I've probably not even shared on here, because I haven't discovered them myself. Yeah. So yes, as you will see, I had forgotten to mention there is also editing in between in between clips, the transition in between clips, there is something like a watch icon. You tap that in between a clip, and then you're able to edit which transition you want to use. So after you're done editing, you save as a draft. Automatically it will be saved. Then you go ahead to maybe revisit the video, see what you like, what you don't like lots of rough drafts. I promise, like, I don't know, before I come up with the final cut, I edit like maybe, I don't know, I don't even count. So by now I haven't the inshot watermark, because I don't know, maybe I've used it for a long time. But when I started out, I had it, and I had to click on it on the bottom right of the video, and then it would just take me to an ad or something I had to watch for a few seconds, and then I would be able to get rid of it, and then the video downloads.